Hey, I'm Mike with Smoking and Drinking. Today we're going to talk about the wonderful world of yeast. Yeast, or brewer's yeast, or Saccharomyces cerevisiae, whatever you want to call it, that's what makes the magic when you're brewing a wine, mead, cider, or beer. And today we're going to talk about the different varieties of yeast and what I like to use for each brew that I make. So stay tuned and be sure to stick around till the end, where you'll get a sneak peek of our video of time and temperature, how to smoke delicious dishes on a pellet grill at the right temperature for the right amount of time. First up, let's talk about wine yeast. Wine yeast plays a crucial role in the development of the flavors and characteristics of your wine. For wine, we have Lalvin EC1118. This robust neutral yeast with high alcohol tolerance, perfect for sparkling wines and late harvest wines. Lalvin 71B, known for producing esters and high alcohols, adding fruity aromas, great for young, fresh wines. Red Star Premier Classique, a versatile yeast that works well with most red and white wines, enhancing fruit and floral notes. Next, let's talk about mead. Mead, or honey wine, can benefit greatly from choosing the right yeast to develop the flavors of your mead. For mead, we often use Lalvin D47. This yeast promotes a complex character and it's perfect for rich, full-bodied meads. It enhances honey, spice, and fruit notes. Lalvin K1 V1116, known for its ability to ferment at low temperatures and enhance floral and fruity notes. Yeast 4184 Sweet Mead. Designed specifically for sweet meads, it leaves a residual sweetness and enhances the honey character. Now let's talk about cider. The right yeast can make your cider really shine by enhancing the natural flavors of the apples. For cider, consider Lalvin EC1118. This yeast provides a clean, crisp fermentation and is very reliable. Yeast 4766 Cider produces a fresh, fruity character and is well suited for a wide range of cider styles. Mangrove Jack's M02 Cider enhances the natural apple flavors and can produce both sweet and dry ciders. Last, and definitely not least, let's talk about beer. Beer yeast comes in two varieties, ale yeast and lager yeast. For ale yeast, which is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, we have Safe Ale US 05, a clean, well-balanced American ale yeast that produces a crisp taste. Yeast 1056 American Ale, versatile and popular for a wide range of American ales, providing a clean, neutral profile. Yeast 1318 London Ale 3, known for its fruity esters and soft mouthfeel, ideal for English ales. For lager yeasts, which is Saccharomyces pasteurianus, consider Safe Lager W34/70, a widely used lager yeast that produces clean and crisp lagers. Yeast 2124 Bohemian Lager produces a well-balanced lager with a slightly malty profile. Fermentus S23, known for its ability to produce fruity and estery notes in lagers. Now let's move on to pork. These are some of my favorites. Pork butt, or Boston butt, or pork shoulder, is what we use to make pulled pork. For pulled pork, you want to get your smoker up to 225 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to cook that pulled pork between 12 to 16 hours, again depending on the size of your pork.
It's generally 1.5 to 2 hours per pound. And you want to bring that internal temp up to between 195 degrees and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Pulled pork is perfect for those long weekend smokes. Let it go overnight for the best pull apart texture.
So that's it. Choosing the right yeast can turn your home brew into something truly special. Whether you're making a wine, mead, cider, or beer, the right yeast is key. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. Thanks for tuning in to Smoking and Drinking. And as always, Prost!